When I was young, I heard someone call me an ugly duckling. This is my story. Since the day I heard someone say, "Look at that ugly duckling!" I believed I was ugly. Years passed. One day at the lake, I heard a teacher say, "Look, children, at that special duck. It is different. What a beautiful duck." I know I look different because I have extra feathers growing out of the top of my head. Since the teacher said I was beautiful, those kind words made me like my appearance. I'm going to eat healthier. Eating healthier is making me feel good inside. Oh my gosh, I never knew that. Healthy foods do that to my body. Now I'll drink some fresh water. I love swimming. It is such great exercise. Moving quickly is also good exercise for me. One day, a duck wanted to join me looking for food. Later, a coot came by, wanting to join me looking for food. I have new friends! Hi, friend! Now I feel beautiful inside and out. I guess these other animals see it too. I'm so happy to swim and sing, sing, sing. And guess what? I have more new friends. Since I feel good about myself, I like talking to other ducks. I don't shy away anymore. I join the others. Nowadays, I have a little more waddle in my waddle. Thank you, teacher, for your kind words. You have brought me so much happiness. The happiness came into my life when I started loving myself for who I am. I am special because I'm different. Look at all these feathers in the back of my head. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to proudly waddle with my friends. It has been a busy day and I'm getting sleepy. I need sleep to keep my body healthy.